Hello student, question number 1 is a total observed runoff volume during a 6-hour storm with a uniform intensity of 1.5 centimeter per hour is 21.6 into 10 to power 6 meter cube. So it is a runoff in 6 hour for this rainfall intensity 1.5. If the area of basin is 300 km square, then average infiltration rate will be in mm per hour. Generally, infiltration rate is nothing but volume of water percolating in a ground to a duration. It is nothing but the infiltration rate. So let's find out here infiltration rate in mm per hour. See, all dimensions are in centimeter or meter or in kilometer. So first of all, we need to convert all dimension in uniform manner. That is, all we have to convert in millimeter. Therefore, write down the formula. The infiltration rate is equal to, now for this case infiltration rate is written as a total rainfall minus total runoff divided by duration. Okay, so rainfall minus runoff, it is nothing but a total quantity of water that is percolating divided by duration. So that is infiltration rate. Now how to calculate total rainfall? Here intensity is given, but we need to convert in millimeters. So 1.5 into 10, and how much time this rain is happen? It is for 6 hours. So from this we will get the total rainfall. Therefore total rainfall is nothing but intensity 1.5 into 10 for conversion of centimeter to mm into duration 6 hours. So this is total rainfall minus total runoff. Now total runoff is nothing but this much runoff occurs on this much catchment area. Therefore 21.6 into 10 to power 6 upon 300. Now we need to convert all units in millimeters. Therefore take conversion factor here into 10 raised to 9 to converting this meter cube into millimeter, and here into 10 to power 12 to convert square kilometer into a square millimeter. Now solve this. Keep this as it is, 1.6 into 10 into 6 minus, here after solving this we have 21.6 into 10 to power 15 by solving this, and here 300 into 10 to power 12 as it is. Again solve this, 1.5 into 60 minus 21.6 as it is. Bring this 10 to power 12 on numerator, then we have 21.6 into 10 to power 3 upon 300, and finally solving this we have 3 mm per hour. It is our infiltration rate. So infiltration rate is equal to 3 mm per hour, and that is our answer.